Creating a YouTube channel from a mobile device is a very straightforward process. So here is how you can do it. So install the YouTube app firstly. If you have not already, download and install the YouTube app from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. So open the YouTube app on your mobile device. So after you open it, tap on the sign in button. And now all you have to do is enter your Google account credentials and sign in. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. So now you can see it will ask if you are using the YouTube for the personal use or for business or work. Simply tap on the personal use for now. Now enter your first name and last name. After you do that, simply tap on the next or continue option available there and write down your birth date. After you note down your birthday, simply go to the next option available there, or you'll be navigated to your username. So now all you have to do is enter a username or email for your YouTube ID. Now you'll be prompted to enter a strong passcode. Now enter the strong password. So after entering your password, the YouTube will ask for your phone number. Now all you have to do is enter your phone number and wait for the verification code it will send you, and write down the verification code. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.